Shut up and sit down.
Good morning. It is a little before 6 a.m. and we are up. We are packing up our campsite and get ready to hit the road. Thought I'd show you our campsite in the daylight. It was a little late when we got in last night. Tenting on gravel, not the most comfortable, but it worked. The owner was nice enough to give us these insulation pads to throw under. There's our tent. I put it on wrong side out, so the ventilation was useless. Fire pit. Neighbor loaned us a couple of chairs. This is it. This is our site. So we are on the road, or on the trail, and it's a really beautiful area out here. Some really nice, beautiful homes, and we're just enjoying it. Oh, that's a beautiful home over there. Old colonial brick. A lot like our house.
Comfort and control, then chase the rabbit down the hole and wonder why I'm lost. I built a palace so
we got up earlier, got out earlier, about an hour and a half, 2 hours earlier than we got out yesterday. And I believe yesterday was mostly slightly uphill, so today is mostly slightly downhill, so our speed should be a bit higher. The boathouse, I don't know if that's a restaurant or a hotel, but it's a cool building. We're on the Pennsylvania side. The hanger bags on Snoopy's Trike, they're also from IKEA, but they are $11 a piece. And I didn't think they were going to hold up this well, but they are. The material feels kind of plasticky. They don't feel nearly as sturdy as mine. But, you know, for $11 a piece, we got them for basic grocery bags. And she's using them to carry all her stuff. And they're holding up really well on this very rough road. So, I gotta say, I'm impressed. So far, all the IKEA bags have impressed me. And for 11 bucks, $22 for a full set of hanger bags. That's pretty awesome. This is really not something you would think that you'd have to deal with on a bike path. This is an electric fence right on the path. Pretty wild, huh?
and then the sun rose before the age of pharaohs, and after I am gone, another dawn will fill the sky with no goodbye, with no goodbye, with no goodbye, with no with no. We're sheltered from the sunlight in the shade beneath the tree. We hide behind the shadows,
Delaware River.
refugee. The apple tree of knowledge shed its fruit along the way. The injury is fading, but the hunger is here to stay until
We're back on the road. I was able to get the Tannis tire back on myself without taking the wheel off. I have a very skinny wrench with a plasticky foamy handle that I was able to use to pry it up on. I wasn't able to get all the pins in myself, and when it came off, it bent my derailleur. So I got it in good enough to make it a mile to the next bike shop, which was a bike shop called Pure Energy Cycling and Java. So it's a bike sales, bike repair, and coffee shop. It was actually pretty cool. So we stopped there, and they were able to get the derailleur bent back out of shape. They didn't have the parts to fix it, but they were able to get it bent, and it seems to be working right now. So if that repair holds up, then this whole thing just cost me an hour and a half, 2 hours, although we did stop for lunch at the same time, and 20 bucks. We're just over halfway there. And with the exception of that hiccup, things are going pretty well. Tree fill, I think. You might want to go into your highest gear. Tree fill. Had to go around it. Have to go under some of the gates because there's not enough room. These trails not built for trikes.
With knowledge on a leash, it's like a terminal disease, and we won't be awake to see that we are fading out.
And as normal, like, follow, share, and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you have a great day.